Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Acorns. So whether you're accessing funds from your Invest, Later, or Early account, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to navigate to acorns.com and click on Login at the top right corner. Once you're in there, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, you see various accounts. You see the invest account, which is your primary investment account. You see later, which is your retirement account, and you see early, which is your investment account for children. Now click on the account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Once inside the selected account, click on withdraw or transfer out button. You're going to find this button there. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the destination bank account for the funds. Review all or any potential tax implications of fees, especially for retirement accounts. Once you're done, click confirm to initiate the withdrawal. After confirming, Acorns will process your withdrawal. The time it takes varies. For invest and early account, it's typically 3 to 6 business days. For later, that's retirement account, it's also 3 to 6 business days, but early withdrawals may incur penalties. For checking accounts, transfers usually 1 to 3 business days. So keep an eye on your linked bank account to confirm the deposit. To ensure your withdrawal was successful, return to your dashboard, click on Past or History to view recent transactions. Go ahead and confirm that the withdrawal is listed and completed. And there you have it. Always consider any potential fees or tax implications before withdrawing, especially from retirement accounts. So you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.